welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan. Today we're going to look at this 2018 Range Rover Velar R Dynamic. Now this is a 6-cylinder supercharged engine, which is awesome. It has plenty of horsepower up to 380. Now I love the black on black package complemented by the rose gold clear on the trim. Now one thing that I love about a Range Rover Velar's handles is similar to the Evoque. It does go in, so when you lock it, if I just push this with proximity entry, it folds the handles in when you're driving. Now when it's unlocked, it does come back out, but the cool thing is when you relax it, if there's ice back here, it's not going to pull it and damage anything, it just relaxes. Now out back we do have a power lift gate, as well as a whole bunch of accessories that come with the vehicle, including a security cover. Plenty of room, and the power lift gate is always convenient. Now this has one of my favorite accessories in the back here. You have the click and go system. Now these are just two of the many attachments that you have. You have a hanger and a hook there. The hanger is nice if you have a jacket or anything and you don't want to wear it while you drive, and the hook is good for your purse, a bag, anything else. Now it does have heated front and rear seats and ventilated front seats, so you've got plenty of accessories, or plenty of charging ports out back. Now up front, this is where everything else happens. You've got your heated steering wheel, your heated windshield, blind spot, lane keep assist, navigation, your panoramic sunroof. This is fully loaded and has everything you could possibly want. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any others that we have, feel free to give us a call or come in and ask me. My name is Jordan. I hope you have a wonderful day.